A stair handrail exists because balance is temporary. For most of human history, vertical movement was informal. People climbed slopes, ladders, uneven stone steps, and carved paths without assistive structures. If support existed, it was improvised: walls, ropes, posts, or the hands of others. Movement relied on strength, habit, and caution. As architecture became more permanent and interior spaces more complex, stairs became standardized. Steps were regularized. Risers and treads were measured. This created predictability, but also risk. Uniform stairs encouraged speed. Speed increased consequences. Early staircases prioritized efficiency and aesthetics. Grand stairways displayed status and symmetry. Narrow staircases maximized space. In both cases, the assumption was that users were capable, attentive, and unencumbered. That assumption failed quietly. People carried objects. They aged. They rushed. They turned their heads mid-step. They navigated in low light. Falls didn't happen because stairs were poorly built. They happened because human balance is not constant. The handrail emerged to address that mismatch, not by altering the stairs, but by adding a parallel system. This is the most important insight of the handrail's design. It does not replace the stairs. It shadows them. It creates redundancy. Its placement reflects this role. The rail runs continuously, step for step, offering a stable reference point independent of foot placement. When balance falters, the hand finds something that does not move. The height of the rail is not arbitrary. It aligns with the natural arc of the arm during walking. Too low, and it forces bending. Too high, and it disrupts posture. The correct height allows the hand to rest without conscious adjustment. This makes use automatic rather than deliberate. The shape matters just as much. Flat surfaces invite pressure. Rounded profiles invite grip. A handrail must allow fingers to wrap fully, not just press downward. This distinction matters in moments of sudden imbalance when grip strength matters more than support area. Materials are chosen for predictability. Wood offers warmth and friction. Metal offers durability and consistency. Textures are controlled. Too smooth, and the hand slips. Too rough, and the hand hesitates. The rail must be trustworthy without demanding attention. Continuity is essential. Interruptions in a handrail are more dangerous than no handrail at all. The hand expects the rail to be there once contact is made. Breaks introduce false confidence. This is why codes emphasize uninterrupted runs and returned ends. Human behavior shapes every one of these choices. People don't announce when they're about to lose balance. They react. The handrail must already be where the hand goes, not where the architect prefers it to be. Importantly, handrails are not only for emergencies. They subtly change how people move. Knowing support is available encourages steadier pacing. It reduces hesitation. It lowers cognitive load. People don't consciously think about balance as much when the rail is present. This is where the design becomes psychological. A handrail communicates permission. Permission to move without fear. Permission to carry things. Permission to age without retreat. It does not eliminate risk. It reframes it. This is also why handrails are often ignored by younger, able-bodied users. The rail does not demand use. It waits. Its success is measured by absence, by moments that never become incidents. The aha moment comes when you realize the handrail is not primarily a safety device. It is a confidence device. It doesn't stop falls so much as it reduces the likelihood of panic when balance shifts. This distinction explains why handrails exist even where falls are rare. Long staircases, narrow stairwells, public buildings. The rail is there not because people fall often, but because they might, and because the cost of readiness is low. As building codes evolved, handrails became mandatory not because architects discovered danger, but because society acknowledged variability. Bodies differ. Abilities change. Architecture must accommodate that without singling anyone out. The handrail does this quietly. It offers support without labeling the user as needing support. Everyone can use it. No one is required to. In modern design, this is what inclusion often looks like. Not special features, but shared ones that adapt to different needs without drawing attention. At the end of a staircase, the handrail usually returns into the wall. This is not decoration. It prevents clothing from catching. It signals completion. The support ends gently, not abruptly. Invisible design often operates this way. It anticipates moments of weakness without announcing them. It supports without interrupting. It protects without policing. The stair handrail is easy to overlook because it succeeds by staying out of the way. But every time someone descends without thinking about balance, every time a slip becomes a recovery instead of a fall, the handrail has done exactly what it was designed to do.